I'm with my friend Richard Gere,
I'm here with my friend, Mr. McGovern.
and we're gonna introduce legislation later this week that would elevate the central Tibetan administration, and to give them the
Freely elected, democratically elected representatives of the Tibetan people.
and to give them the power to negotiate on behalf of the Tibetan people with China, and to make sure that the human rights of the Tibetan people continue to be front and center. We have a role to play. We can influence China. We need to use our power.
I think it's also, this bill clarifies the succession. We don't look forward to this, but at some point this Dalai Lama will be leaving, and the succession to the next Dalai Lama is extremely important, not only for the Tibetan people, but the Chinese obviously are trying to put their thumb into this as well. So this legislation clarifies how this next Dalai Lama will be found and enthroned.
And this issue is not going away. We want the Chinese government to know that. So please do what you can to call members of Congress and tell them to support it.
Very important.
Thank you.